Hello, this is Carlin, and this is my assignment for week 13, where we start getting into the whole fun thing of creating a cart. What I'm going to start off with describing and talking about today in this video is how we created this cart application using MySQL, what tables were generated, and what those tables are really used for to start out with. So first things first, we're going to start off with connecting to the MySQL command line interface. Yeah, there we go. So we're in. Now we're going to use our ecom store. Oops, correct that. Come on, sorry about that. And then we're going to show our tables within this ecom store. And you can see when we created the cart application, it created a nice table for us called cart items. And we want to look inside these items it created for us. So describe our cart items. And you can see after we ran the sync databases earlier, it created us some tables. And within this cart items, it created these cart ID and product ID, or what they call the primary keys, which, like I said, is generated by the Django framework. And these keys really just represent a unique value number for a row on a table, and that goes hand in hand. And this way, the logic behind it is, for the card ID, you don't have two products of the same value in the same cart. So the person that does the purchase cannot buy two types of the same guitar without the cart catching on. It blocks stuff from that being redundant. While we are on this page, I'm going to take time and something you had us talk about in the worksheet is right here is the if statements. Where is it at? Right, yeah, we'll just do this one. If cart items, for cart items in cart, so if there's items in this cart, what it's going to do is it's going to display all the stuff, the quantity, the price, the picture, and then we go down to here for the else, and the else is basically if there's nothing in your cart, it's just going to say your cart is empty. So that really explains the tags for that. Alright, and now I want to talk about in the views.py is how an item is updated and removed from the cart. What it does is when we select the product link, when we click add to cart, which I'm going to demonstrate later, it submits a form, and if the method is a post, the post gets copied all the data from the request. It grabs the form, passes the request, and it creates the add to cart function. And it creates basically a record in the database. Or you can get redirected back to the cart. Same thing kind of for the remove. The remove function gets the HTTP request for when you click on the button, the post for it, and it deletes the post based on the item ID. And I guess I'll just demonstrate that for you real quick. I'll run my project. Let's go here. Oh, sweet. So we're here, toe tapping music. Say we want to buy some drums. Scroll down here. The drums. 3 of these. And we add them to the cart. This submits a request. And that's where we get our posts and our page that's displayed. And you can see the quantity, the price. And then if we just wanted to remove this, it sends another post. And it gets us to their cart is empty. It's as simple as that. I know there's some things that I know I don't know everything, and I'm still learning all really the functionality behind all the files. I know a lot of the files, they extend and all grab from each other, or navigate somewhere, and it's pretty cool. It's a great learning experience. Another thing that I wanted to look at is views.py. We had a lot of changing in here. This is a lot of so we can look up a category or see your product, look up a product. Um, it's a lot of, like I said earlier, grabbing from something else, from the catalog and category, what all could see, renders a response, name of a template, passes through all variables as a dictionary, gets the post or get, adds to function bound form. It's all, I'm still learning how this all kind of links together still, but I guess this is my presentation. I hope the video wasn't this horrible this time. Thank you for everything. See you in class.